Let me hear you now. Let me hear you now.
Listen on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you love legit, let me hear you now. Everybody say legit. We wanna hear you. Let's go. A very nice one. And ladies and gentlemen, let me hear you say CeeJay, we want to hear you. Everybody say C. Once I say CeeJay, we want to hear you. Everybody say CeeJay, give them. Let me hear you say. Hey, listen. If you love CeeJay, let me hear you say CeeJay. Say CeeJay. And one time, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to legit now. Legit swings. Sure. Listen to me. If you are here and you are not vibing with us, sorry, you are missing. If you love legit, anything white talk out. Anything white talk out. If you love legit, anything white talk out. Shut legit. Shut legit. Shut legit. Shut legit. Shut legit. Oh, one time. And let me hear you now, CeeJay. Hold on small. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, hey, listen up. Don't forget what I said before. Listen up one time, big time wish. And this is Highlife Battle. It's a Highlife Battle. We see between these now. We see between these other big one time wish. Between CeeJay Swings Entertainment. Alongside Legit Swing. Legit, let me hear you. Wait. I don't hear you. I don't hear you. I don't hear you. Somebody shout, legit, you get book one matter. Say legit, you don't go kill me. Hey, listen now, listen now, listen now, listen now. CeeJay, let me hear you. CeeJay, let me hear you. Watch here. Now highlight battle, now highlight battle, now highlight battle.
Oh, Christiana. I hear you.
Listen to me, 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 listen to me. If you don't enjoy the vibe, if you don't enjoy the vibe, somebody, if you don't enjoy the vibe, say, arara, arara, I know they hear you, arara. If you don't enjoy the vibe, somebody shout CeeJay. If you don't enjoy the vibe, somebody shout legit. Legit, let me hear you now. Give me the sound, walk away.
Bushi and you, then Bushi and you, one day.
I want to hear you. Say legit to not go kill me. Oh, water. I'm not doing this one for legit. Let me do this one to teach. This one for legit. This one for legit. Say legit. We wanna party. Everybody say. But don't be a monakanda. The highlight battle. The highlight battle. And don't forget to follow up. Don't forget to follow up. What's here? CeeJay. I'm over here you. They wanna hear you. They wanna vibe. They wanna hear you. CeeJay. They wanna vibe. They wanna hear you. CeeJay. They wanna vibe. They wanna vibe. What's here? CeeJay. CeeJay. What's here? CeeJay. What's here? CeeJay. What's here? CeeJay.
Ejemayo wae, ajamizo lolo. Wanda monse monde maya o, ara wona karakamo. Wanda monse maya o, ara wona karakamo. Mama monse beku o, egu wona karakamo. Akara uwa jinibiwa o, wanda majo bakarakamo. Ejemayo lolo, ejemayo wae, ejemizo lolo, ejemayo wae, ejemizo lolo.
Hey, listen up. Hey, somebody, if you don't enjoy them, let me hear you say battle, say battle, say battle, say battle, highlight battle, CeeJay Entertainment, alongside Legit Swings, hey, Petro Keys, Hesitations, and Superstar DJ SS. We are here. Legit, let me hear you. If you dey enjoy them, let me hear you say, I dey enjoy them. I know they hear you. I know they hear you. Somebody say high life. Let me hear you say high life. What's your say? Alright, listen up, listen up. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I got MC Smile, MC Smile. And don't forget, this is show Highlife Battle, episode 2. MC Smile is in the house. MC Smile is in the house. Alright, and ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome all-time finance, comical, strategical, international, big time wish, MC Smile. Hey, MC Smile.
Easy. Engineer, we volume. Yo, video, every my audio na my phone. Kono corona kilani. Bad. Engineer, let me hear myself. Alright, to my lovers, I greet you now. Newem Nandemwe, Ekele Mono. SS. Bring it down my blood. Oh man, we didn't stop this challenge. Please, a round of applause for one man that is raising this energy button. No. Please, put a clap for the person they play bass. Pedro.
Right.
Akana Socho. Listen. See, the challenge don't they take a different shape. You know, that time when they raise the guitar, you kept pressing with them. Who do that thing? Come on, what we're gonna say to my motherfucking bassist today? So blood, you chop knock. Now, if your phone is above 300,000, bring a mat on the camera. Show don't start. Make sure you're drinking something that is happiness and alcohol. Okay. SS, they perform. When your saxophonist, you know perform today. I beg, when this video go online now, only 2 persons go chop praise. Chop glory. That person is legit. And CeeJay. Oh, I'm not going to remember shaking now. So gentlemen, so right now let's make it look like something more spiritual, something more energetic, and something is going to be happening different. So to my brother, hype man with energy, hype man with steez. Bro, let me say this in the presence of your people. Come close. They will want them up here. This boy will want them walking. That's one. Now let me tell you what I love about you. It's not about the noise. You're a clean man with a clean spirit. Any man when they keep himself clean deserves some head. Amen. Go inside. Sure does that. So ladies and gentlemen, this is where we begin officially from the side B. Don't get it twisted, Smile is here now. Come on to my blood and my DJ. Also brilliant. So introducing. On my left hand side we have the musically talented, intellectual magic finger. A man that can win your soul and win your girlfriend through his strings. People call him legit, but I don't know what you call him, but whatever you call him, legit. Before we begin, say something. Before we begin, shaking our glory. Introduction. Get me closer. By my right hand side, Imo State finest, Nigeria's best. They call him CeeJay of the Most High, but we call him CeeJay Strings. Baba, gentlemen, get one more. We are the
n'ụwa krobi nwanne n'ụwa
Emi Pedro
obi nwanne m enweghị ebe abanga na-ere enweghị ebe ala ribo lele enweghị
It is time to play abstract. Aya, stay side, stay side. Ladies and gentlemen,
abstract 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 ebe na makụ ụwa bela ya tụọ lego onye na-aga nke ya ala were akwa nnụwa aka
they call him legit.
ije
Wene. Ladies and gentlemen, somebody say another one. Somebody say another pressure. Say another talent. Wisdom man. So the CeeJay, come on. On your wing. Look at what we have here.
CeeJay ịga masị maka ọlaga kokochie onye mama na-ejegbu ya
Winning my team.
irigbo lejagwo n'ọrịa ka anyị were obi nwanne
Oh yeah, it's time to play abstract now.
nwadị anya ọma onye mama na-egbuola ya
Raise up.
ije
Onye na-eme m ihe a.
sono
Okay, leave it like that. Gentlemen, Mbaka I add ya solo now. Bianzo. Under this solo, no voice. Just guitar against. You go yab and me go yab you back. Guitar against. Talk to them. That one enter. Osisha. Are you enjoying the vibe? Are you enjoying the vibe? Aya, let's raise it.